Hi, Kevin Byrne here with the Byrne Real Estate Group. Let's talk about what happened in March 2024 in the real estate markets of both the Boulder area and the Denver area. I just want to say, hey, go Avs. I know we had a tough game one, but hopefully game two we'll pick it up here a little bit, show them who's boss. So when we look at the city of Boulder market for March, we look at the active listings. Active listings are up about 20% from a year ago. We got about 181 active homes on the market right now. These are single family houses. Now, when we look at the monthly solds, we had 37 sales. That was down about 5% from the year before. When we look at the monthly sales volume, that was down 23% from a year ago. So we've seen in January and February, sales were way up. Interest rates, I think, had dropped a little bit. Rates ticked up a little bit in March. So we are seeing sale volume down fairly significant in month. Now, when we look at the year-to-date sales, we're still looking at an increase over last year. We've got about an 8% increase in total sales, but that's only because January, February were really very prolific versus the year before. Now we look at days on market. How long is it taking a property to sell? That's up about 29% from a year ago. We're at 77 days on market. Still not bad, but that is up significantly from about 60 days last year. Now, when we look at average or median sale price, we're at $1,392,000. That is down about 5% from the year before. So we are seeing a little bit tightening as financing becomes a little bit more difficult. And we're also going to look at, the Denver metro area to kind of take a look at what's happening there. So when we look at the Denver metro area, homes closed in March of 2024 were down about 9% from a year ago. When we're looking at new listings are up about 1%. Days on market, much lower price point in the Denver metro area. You're looking at about 1 day. It's 12 days on market versus 11 days. So still a very active market. Weeks of inventory, we're at about 7 weeks of inventory versus 5. So that still is leaning, in the favor of a seller. And the average sale price is $595 versus $565. So again, lower price point in the Denver metro area for single family homes, up about 5%. So we're still seeing a good market, a little bit more patient. You can see not very, 12 days on market. So when we look at the contrasting markets, obviously higher price point here, it's taking a little longer for people. They're being a little more patient. When we go to the Denver metro, it's still a very active market. So that should be moving, very rapidly in terms of, if you have a good price property in good condition, that's going to move pretty quickly. So if you have any questions regarding what's happening in either the Boulder County or the Denver metro market, let us know. Even from county to county, we're seeing some kind of differentials. Weld County right now is performing very, very well, a lot of new construction. So again, there's some micro markets out there. We'd love to give you any advice on kind of what's happening in general. Feel free to give me a call, email me, forward this video to a friend or family member or a coworker or neighbor who might be considering selling. It still is a good time. And there's some opportunities on the buy side too, to buy down your interest rate in the short term. And most people are thinking in the next year or two, they're probably going to refinance. All right. Thanks so much. And we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.